Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the link you will remove. Use a spring bar tool or push pin and keep the watch face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Once done, identify the direction of the link pins and note arrow markings. This tells you which way to push. Make sure to remove any strap adapters or end links first, because those change which pins are accessible, and secure small parts in a tray so nothing rolls away. Now you remove the pins that hold links together. Position the push tool on the pin head and apply steady pressure, tapping lightly if it resists. You want control, not force. Once a pin clears, pull it and separate the link, then repeat symmetrically on the opposite side of the clasp to maintain balance. Keep collars and pins organized, because reassembly requires the same orientation and pieces. This prevents a lopsided fit later and preserves clasp alignment. Finish by bringing the bracelet back together. Align link holes precisely, insert the pin in the correct direction, and gently tap it flush so it seats evenly. Uneven pins cause wear. Once assembled, use clasp micro adjustments to fine-tune comfort and wear the watch briefly to check movement and clearance. If the bracelet feels stiff, noisy, or loose, stop and inspect the pins and collars. Replace any bent parts or reseat pins to avoid sudden failures and protect your watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.